All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, 4 of us in the shop got to eat some words. We've got a customer. He has several vehicles, and he's not very loyal to us. He tends to have work done other places. He doesn't tend to buy a lot from us, and well, that guy. So the story is, last time he was here, AAA put a battery in it, his Jeep, and his dash no longer lit up. Nothing came on the dash, period, blank. So I brought it in, looked at it, did, scan on it, all that stuff, realized that it was a Jeep problem. It was logic locked from when the AAA guy put the battery in. So disconnected the battery, let the capacitors drain, hooked it back up, boom, fixed. I charged him appropriately for that. But anyway, fast forward to yesterday. Now keep in mind, he has previous wrecks that he's had done other places, previous wrecks that he won't do. Came in yesterday complaining of a clunk in the front end, and a chain store had said he needed a steering rack and brakes. Not specifying which ones, but anyway, he has since had new tires put on somewhere else, probably that chain store. So I go drive it. It's late in the parking lot, hear the noise. I bring it into the shop. It's end of day. Put it up in the air, do my inspection, realize that since the last time he's been to the shop, his transmission pan is starting to puke fluid. Steering rack, yes, starting to leak. Needs rear brakes. Found the clunk noise. So, get into that in a second. So I go up to talk to the service writer who has that car because I want to do a show and tell. And anyway, I'm talking to another service writer because, of course, the rule of service writers, the one you need to talk to is always on the phone. That service writer would never say a bad word about really anybody. I've literally only seen him get mad at one person, and that was a homeless guy that was harassing one of our customers. He basically said, F that guy. So anyway, while the other service writer got off the phone, the service manager was over there, and he's like, yeah, And I go, it's really more of a show and tell. So all 3 of them come out to my bay, and I show them the loose adjustment bolt on the front control arm that was left loose when they did the alignment. And well, I got a chorus of, well, F that guy. Which I found hilarious because, my opinions on customers are not always agreed with by management, but I got a chorus of, that guy. Just a disclaimer. While I may say F that guy, I will still look over his car, diagnose it properly, fix it properly, all that kind of stuff. I don't hold grudges like that. But I know when I write up a car, it's probably not going to sell. Well, I had to eat my words. The guy bought everything but the oil cooler that still hasn't been replaced. Still not leaking that bad, but he still won't do it. So we'll wait till it pukes everything out and then he can, whatever. But so he bought the steering rack, he bought the alignment, he bought the brakes, bought the transmission pan. So you really just never know about customers. Oh, and one of his other cars is sitting over there getting warranty work. So, hope you enjoyed this story. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.